Well, here is our little miracle, Moxy's little baby, and believe it or not, he is 5 weeks old today. It's hard to believe. He's still a little bitty thing, but he's getting full of personality. He talks to us, and he sees Nira and Nona, and he really wants to play now. So we're going to probably let him play with them this week and get some socialization with the other puppies. He's eating his little food now, doing a pretty good job of that. Yeah, I hear you. Tell them your story. Tell them. Tell them all about it. Yes? Tell them all about it. Huh? Who will you play with when Nira and Nona are gone? Hannah's babies are too little. I guess we'll just have to hang out with you, huh? What do you think? Huh, little miracle? Huh, little guy? Yeah? Do you want the little squeaky toy? He's pretty fearless, this little guy. He's adventurous, funny. Beautiful coloring and markings. Well, what do you think? Huh? You like it? Hey! I'll show you how to do it. Huh? Just like this. Come do it. Oh, really? Is that right? You can do it. You're a big boy now. Come do it. Like this, Miracle. What, baby? Well, come on. Come on. What you doing? You gonna go potty? You gonna go potty? Huh? Such a good boy. Oh, yeah. Did you go pee-pee, huh? That's a good boy, Miracle, using your grass pad. Yeah. His mommy still loves him so much, and he loves her. So they spend a lot of time together still, which is nice since he's a singleton. Oh, really? See what I mean? He just loves to talk. Yes! Are you talking to us? What are you saying? Do you hop like a bunny? Huh? Do you think you're a bunny? Huh? Do you think you're a bunny? Whoop. Okay, pretty boy. So there you have Miracle, Moxy's little baby, 5 weeks old today.